stretch fingers. Right hand above left hand. Stretch your shoulder. Lower arms on the floor. One leg massage forehand from opposite side. Then change side. Legs forward. Push hip up, then down. Legs as wide as hip. Stretch legs. Hip upward. Stretch the muscles. Hands under foot. Right leg inside, hammock in the center foot. Foot inside, bring hammock toward the body. Stretch hip and lat muscles. Then stretch arms forward. Bring body up, bend knee. Bring body close to hanging point of the hammock. Arms in front of the hammock. Body down. Feeling stretch lat and hip muscles. Relax neck and shoulder. Stretch legs. Turn to side. Stretch arms to the right. Then twist your body. Change side. Leg. Bend knee. Now we lie inside of the hammock to relax. Right leg inside of the hammock, then left leg.